Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of ADA subject. In this video lecture we are going to learn about merge sort algorithm. So merge sort will use our two-way merging which we have already studied in previous video lecture. So let's start with merge sort. So this is the merge sort algorithm. Merge sort, we will pass two things, low and high, means minimum index and maximum index. If low is less than high, then we will perform mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, means we will find our mid value for our list. After finding our mid value, we will perform merge sort on that both of the list, means first list is low to mid and second list is mid plus 1 to high. Okay, so if our list of 11 element, then 1 plus 11 is equal to 12 divided by 2. So first list will be of 1 to 6 and second list will be of 7 to 12. On both of that list we will perform our merge sort algorithm. Again it will divide it into two parts, means 1 to 3 and 4 to 6, again here 7 to 9 and 10 to 12. So this will call it recursively, so it will generate a recursive relation, or we can say recurrence relation. After proceeding with the merge sort, we will get some individual numbers. After getting some individual numbers, we will perform our merging on that individual numbers. For merging we will have array, our low value, mid value and high value, means array from low to mid and mid to high value. Okay, so that merging that we have already studied in previous video lecture. So this is the algorithm of merge sort algorithm. Now let's understand by it an example. This is the example. Here we have 7 elements in this list. We will perform mid is equal to, mid is low plus high divided by 2. So here our low is equal to 1 and high is equal to 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 2. So our first part will be these 4 values and last part will be these 3 values. So here we have divided these two parts. On these two parts again we will divide by mid value. So this is the second division. Again we can divide that into further parts. So this is the last divided part of this list. You can see here all the elements are individual. After getting individual list, we will perform our merging on it. So in merging we have seen that all list should be into a sorted manner. So here only individual numbers are there, then that will be already into sorted manner. So we will start merging them. We will merge first this list 38 and 27, 43 and 3, 9 and 82 and 10 is alone here. Okay, so after merging we will get 27 and 38. Previously we had 38 and 27, but now we will have, after merging, 27 and 38. This will be 3 and 43. This will be 9 and 82 and this will be 10. Okay, in next step we will merge these two lists. So after merging of these two lists we will have numbers 3, 27, 38 and 42, 9, 10 and 82. So these are the merging of these two lists. These two lists are already in sorted manner, and we will have our third list which will be in sorted manner. So in the last step we will have to perform last merging of these two lists. So after performing merging, it will be look like this. So you can see here our values 3, 9, 10, 27, 38, 43 and 82 in merge manner, and you can see it is already in sorted manner. So previously we had this type of array, and now we will have this type of list. So this is the working of merge sort algorithm. Okay, very simple. Again, divide into two part, divide into two part, divide into two part. When you have individual menu, then you have to do merging, and after merging of all lists you will get your sorted merged list. Okay, so this is merge sort. For merge sort, let's do analysis of it. So for its analysis, we will have this type of algorithm. In that algorithm, merge sort, if we consider total time complexity of merge sort is Tn, then if we ignore this if condition and concentrate on this code, then this mid is equal to low plus I divided by 2, that will be performed only one time. Merge sort, this will be performed low plus mid, means half of these numbers. So half of this number means n divided by 2, so its complexity will be Tn divided by 2. This perform also half of this, so this will be also Tn divided by 2. And this last thing, merge, will be performed onto all elements, means it will be of n. So after adding all these things, we will get this equation 2n divided by 2 plus n plus 1, but we have ignored this one because n plus 1 will be complexity of n only. So we will consider this equation Tn is equal to 2Tn divided by 2 plus n. So this is our recurrence relation of our merge sort algorithm. Okay, so in this equation you can see that we can solve it by our master method. Why? Because divider of n is greater than 1. So we can apply our we can apply our master method on it. So after applying master method, we can know that we can perform case number 2 of master method on this equation. So performing master method and case number 2 of it, we will get its complexity in order of, or we can say theta of n log n. So this is the merge sort algorithm, and this is the analysis and time complexity of merge sort algorithm. So this is it for today's lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you, students.